Here is a number that does not make sense: 232 pound-feet of torque from a hybrid Honda. Let me explain why. The last Prelude made 156 pound-feet of torque from its 2.2-liter VTEC engine. This hybrid makes 76 pound-feet more from a smaller engine while getting 46 miles per gallon. That is the magic trick Honda is pulling with the 2026 Prelude, and nobody is talking about it. Walk around this car at the Brussels Motor Show, and the first thing you notice is how low it sits. The roofline drops lower than a Civic. The hood stretches longer. The proportions scream sports coupe. But this is the first Prelude in history with a hatchback design. That massive rear opening reveals 428 liters of cargo space. You could actually use this thing track day Saturday, road trip Sunday, without compromise. The 19-inch Berlina black wheels look aggressive, but what is behind them matters more. Blue Brembo brake calipers, 13.8 inches up front, 12 inches in the rear. These are not hybrid car brakes, these are Civic Type R brakes, bolted directly to this hybrid. Because Honda did not build a Civic with 2 fewer doors. They built a completely different car. The dual-axis strut front suspension comes from the Type R. Inside, everything focuses on the driver. The 10.2-inch digital cluster sits directly in your sightline. The 9-inch touchscreen runs Google built-in. Android Auto and CarPlay exist, but Google is already integrated at the system level. The sport seats come wrapped in premium leather with blue accent stitching. You can choose blue and white, two-tone, or all black. What struck me most is how the small details elevate this interior. The D-shaped steering wheel feels perfect in your hands. The aluminum paddle shifters have real weight to them. This does not feel like a 30,000 euro car. It feels like something twice the price. The rear seats actually fit 2 adults for short trips, and they fold flat when you need the full cargo capacity. The fuel economy is where this hybrid justifies its existence. 46 miles per gallon in the city, 41 on the highway. You could daily drive this car without thinking about fuel costs, and then attack a mountain road on the weekend. The tech package includes the full Honda Sensing Suite, collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, all standard, no option packages required. The adaptive damper system comes from the Type R. The wider front and rear tracks come from the Type R. This is a Type R chassis with a hybrid powertrain, not the other way around. Open the hood and you will find a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder mated to 2 electric motors. Combined output is 200 horsepower, but that torque figure is what changes everything. 232 pound-feet arrives instantly. No turbo lag, no waiting for VTEC to kick in, just immediate electric punch from 0 RPM. And yes, there is no manual transmission, but Honda created something called S+ Shift. It uses paddle shifters to simulate 8 gears. It blips the throttle on downshifts. It holds gears through corners. It makes a CVT feel like a dual-clutch automatic. Now let's talk about price. In Europe, this e-HEV Advanced model with options totals 51,084 euros. In the United States, the base price starts at $42,000. Is that too much for a hybrid Honda coupe? Or is it exactly right for a car with Type R hardware and luxury car refinement? I think Honda just proved that hybrid performance is not about compromise. It is about delivering torque where it matters most. The Prelude is back, and that 232 pound-feet of instant torque might be the most important number in the entire spec sheet. If you want more Brussels Motor Show coverage, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.